Welcome to Cooking with Chef Tuan, and today we are going to be making some delicious banana bread with a play on a Bananas Foster's sauce. Now before we get started, I want to say, Alexandra, happy 5th birthday. Thank you for watching all my videos and thank you for being a huge supporter of this channel. All right, now as usual, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Now, if you don't have your butter at room temperature, all you have to do is just keep whisking it like me. Now, once this mixture is nice and creamed, you want to take your bananas that have already been mashed and add it here and just keep whisking it together. And don't forget to stop mixing and scrape the bottom of the bowl. There's gonna be a lot of good stuff down there that needs to be brought up and evenly mixed. Now, once things start to become incorporated, I'm gonna add the vanilla. And then I also have a nice secret ingredient that I like to add is some almond extract. Just a couple drops will do. And it gives your banana bread a really awesome, interesting flavor. Now with your 2 eggs, just add them in one at a time until it's nice and mixed. Now I like to add toasted pecans to my banana bread. I love the flavor of pecans and bananas. And once they're done toasting, let them cool off a little bit before you add them to your batter. Now after I added my flour, I did realize that I forgot to add my baking soda. Normally what I do is I would add the baking soda to the flour and give it a nice whisk, and then I can add everything in and start mixing it like how I'm doing right now. But since I didn't, we're gonna have to add this in here and then just only give this about 8 to 10 seconds on low speed. You don't want to overwork this batter. Oh, and it's a good idea right now to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm using a 9 by 13 inch bread pan that I'm going to grease with some softened butter. And then all we have to do now is just gently pour the batter into our bread pan. The aroma of the sweet, ripe bananas is really strong and really pungent in this. Now, the trick to that is I like to let my bananas ripen until the skins are black. That is when they're at their sweetest. Now, into a 350 degree oven for about 65 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean, right? So now I take it out of the oven and I let it rest on a wire rack for 10 minutes before slicing. There are only a few things better than the smell of fresh pastries or fresh bread, or especially fresh banana bread coming out of the oven. Look at how gorgeous our loaf is. All right, and after about 10 minutes of cooling, let's slice some for our French toast. You want to see what the inside looks like? Here you go. You deserved it. Look at how beautiful our loaf is. Nice and moist, studded with pecans. Now on to the French toast batter. All right, just 2 eggs, a little splash of milk. I don't like to add any sugar or vanilla into this anymore because we have enough of that in the bread already. Now on a medium heat, I like to let the butter brown a little bit before I put in the French toast. And we're gonna let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Look at these gorgeous pieces of banana bread French toast. Amazing. Cooking it like this also brings up more of the banana aroma. Now we're gonna go and make our banana sauce that's gonna go on top of these delicious French toast. All right, so just add a little bit of butter, add some brown sugar. Don't worry about it being lumpy. Just keep stirring it. Oh, and also the heat on this, you wanna be on about medium-low heat. You don't wanna burn your sugar and you don't want anything to burn in this sauce. Otherwise, you're gonna have to start all over. Now in your pan, you should only be having soft, gentle bubbles. If it's too aggressive, turn the heat down. Right, so after about 30 seconds into the pan, after the bananas have gone in, you're gonna go ahead and add your maple syrup and then give these bananas a flip. Now, once you add the maple syrup and keep stirring, you can see that your sauce is smoothing out and all the sugar has been dissolved. Once that happens, turn the heat off, you're done with the sauce. All right, now let's go and plate this beautiful banana bread French toast. Look at how beautiful these perfectly overripe bananas are. I want to give a special shout out to my friend Edie who donated these beautiful bananas that are grown locally here in South Florida. Thank you so much for this. This sauce is so rich with the brown sugar, the butter, the maple syrup, and the sweetness from the bananas. This is truly one decadent dish. Now you don't have to stop here. We've already gone this far. You can either add some nice whipped cream, which I did, or you can add some beautiful vanilla ice cream. All right, let's take this outside. And oh my God, look at this. Super decadent, we have a banana bread French toast with a banana, brown sugar, maple syrup sauce, and some nice whipped cream. Man, definitely food coma after this, I guarantee it. Now, I'm not really much of a sweet breakfast food person, but you know what? There's an exception to every rule. You know, I had so much fun making this today. The banana bread, this beautiful sauce. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. And also, again, I want to wish Alexandra a happy 5th birthday. Guys, if you like the content, please hit the like button down below. Be safe out there. And as always, peace.